Hi, this is Kayla, one of your Ventura College librarians. Did you know that the Ventura College Library has both a print and electronic graphic novel collection? This video will guide you through how you can find books from both. To find print graphic novels, go to the library homepage and click on Advanced Search. In the Search For section, select the radio button for Library Catalog. In the first search bar, type in graphic novels with quotation marks around it. Then click on Search. Your search results will contain print and electronic graphic novels, as well as books that are about graphic novels. To limit to just our print collection, go to the Refine My Results column and select Available in Print. Books that are graphic novels will show that they are available at VC Main Graphic Novels Collection. Books that are about graphic novels will show a different location, such as VC Main Collection. To see more information about a book, click on the title. The record for the book may include things like book reviews, a description, and subjects. All graphic novels are shelved in order by title. In the Get It section, you will see the location as Graphic Novels Collection, and the call number will be the first 4 letters of the title. The collection is located near the reference desk. To find electronic graphic novels, let's go back to our original list of results. This time, under the Refine My Results column, select Available Online. This results list will still contain both graphic novels and books about graphic novels. There isn't an easy way to filter out one or the other, so you may have to go through a couple of pages of results. Once you find a book you'd like to take a look at, click on the title to go to the record. From there, look for the View Online section and click on the database that is listed. This will take you to another record for the book, this time within the database. From here, you can read more details about the book and access options to email the book record or get a citation for the book. To access the full text, click on PDF Full Text. You are now ready to start searching for graphic novels. If you have any questions or need help, contact a librarian.